Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, gold still doesn't give us any impression it wants to stop dropping, but I mean, they turn around at an instant sometimes. Yeah, I mean, we had a situation here as well where we had a very sharp pullback in February. Remember that the pullback in February was rather shallow, whereas now we have a very, very strong pullback. Not stronger than it ideally should be, but it is, for this wave degree, definitely a decent size. However, I still remain of my view that we completed a larger wave 4 here in November 22. Then we had a wave 1 to the upside, a wave 2 to the downside, and this is a lower degree 1-2 setup. The length of the wave 1 is fantastic. We can compare that. So if we measure the main wave 1, the larger wave 1 here, take the Fibonacci extensions, this wave 1 ended between the 61.8 Fib extension of the larger wave 1 and the 78.6. That's perfect. That's what we want to see for a high probability wave 1. And it's now coming down in my opinion, a corrective fashion. I don't want it to drop below 1865. Ideally, I'd like it to hold the intraday low at 1900, but I could still allow it to go down to the 78.6 retracement in this particular correction of a wave 2. Below that, I have to pick an alternative structure, an alternative count. What would be the alternative count? I explained it in yesterday's video already. Probably would have to go... probably would have to see all of this as a wave 1, a larger wave 1. It's not my favorite count. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not great, but possible and valid. Okay, but nothing I would primarily follow. But I have to do it if price breaks below 1865. But until 1865, I remain focused on a 1-2-1-2 setup. And yeah, what did we talk about in yesterday's video? We looked at the daily chart. We looked at the indicator. We said, okay, we're not oversold yet, but we're nearly there. So yeah, I mean, it can drop a little lower, 1865. By that time, we should get into the oversold region on the relative strength index, which could indicate a potential reversal. I wanted to take a look at the 1 hour chart. Here we can see how of this high in April, we've been coming down in an A, B, C structure, and in the C wave, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a very long and extended fifth wave. We start to see some bullish divergences here on the chart, on the 1 hour chart, yeah, making a bit larger of this low, higher low, and lower lows on the price chart. In my opinion, quite substantial. So I'd really like to see here at some point a reversal. I mean, maybe this reaction today is the beginning, but it's too weak. Can't confirm it at this stage. But the golden ratio, obviously the support area that we expected to be reached now, because that was the next Fib level, 1907. Today we reached it. It is one of the main and one of the relevant Fibonacci retracement levels. So a reversal from here, always possible, always likely. If we break below 1907, then I think we have to say hello to 1865. Yeah, there is not much more to add. At this stage, I cannot confirm that a low is in. I will keep you updated. If I see anything change, I will let you know. Ideally, it's turning around between now and 1865. If not, then we deal with a larger 1-2 setup. And if I see that that gets more likely, I will give you a relevant support area for that wave count as well. But until then, we focus on higher. But again, I cannot confirm a turnaround until I see some kind of a signal. For now, the short-term trend is still down. Yeah, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.